Hello, welcome to the Mathline channel. In this channel, you can get a video of maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous videos, please watch and continue watching for better understanding of new lesson. So let us start today's lesson, that is subtraction. Today I would like to explain the meaning of subtraction. In the last class, you have studied the concept of addition. Once you understood the concept of addition, it is very easy to understand the meaning of subtraction. That is, subtraction and addition are exactly opposite of each other. You have learned that addition is the process of counting up numbers. Now the subtraction is the process of counting down the numbers. Have you practiced counting down the numbers in first standard with a suitable rhythm like 100, 99, 98, like that? What happened in each counting down? One unit is decreased or removed or subtracted in each counting down. So you have to do counting down for the process of subtraction to be carried out. For example, 8, the symbol for subtraction is minus, read as minus. 8 minus 3. You have to subtract 3 from 8. What you have to do for this? You have to count down from the bigger number 8. How many units you have to count down? 3 units. That is 7, 6, 5. So what is the answer? 5. The answer obtained in subtraction is called difference. But it is difference. So very easy it is subtraction. Only you have to count down the number of units to be subtracted. The 8 minus 3 means, what is the difference between the number 8 and 3? What is the difference between the number 8 and 3? So what we got? 5. There is a 5 unit difference between 8 and 3. What you have done for that? 3 units counted from the number 8. So this also you can be done in another easier way, or by using the concept of addition also. You can count up from 3, that is smaller number, to get the bigger number. How many units you are counted up? That is start from 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 units we are counted up. So 5 is the answer. So anyway you can do the process. The main thing is, what is the difference between 8 and 3? Now one difference in subtraction is that in addition we can do in any order, but in subtraction we can subtract only smaller number from bigger number. Clear? For example, suppose your mother is having only 100 rupees with her. If you ask 120 rupees for buying something, Can she give from 100 rupees? No, because 120 is greater than 100. Suppose you ask 90 rupees. Can she give? Yes, she can give. So only you can take smaller number from bigger number. Even though if you ask 100 rupees, then also she can give. That means you can subtract the number from the same number also. So what will be the result? If you subtract a number from the same number, the result will be, if you ask 100 rupees, anything will be left with her? No. What is the answer? 0. That is, if you subtract any number from the same number, the result will be 0. For example, 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Any number. Now what is the result of subtracting 0 from a number? Suppose 8 minus 0. 0 subtraction means 0 countdown. Means what? The answer is, we are not counting down any units. So answer is 8 only. So if you subtract 0 from any number, the result is same number. So here also you have to study the subtraction of single digit numbers only. The remaining you can use place value concept. So we will take another example. 78 and put the minus sign here. Minus 53. Similarly, how you have done in addition, same way. We start from the units place. Digits of the same places can be subtracted. So what is 8 minus 3? 5. Now take the digit in the tens place. 7 minus 5? 2. 25 is the result. So using the place value concept, we can easily get the result of subtraction. Now another example. 712 minus 508. The method is same. You have to subtract the digits of the same places. So when you consider the digits of units place, what is that? 2 is the digit in the units place of the bigger number. This is bigger number, clear? But here 8. So in this is it possible this subtraction? Can you subtract 8 from 2? We cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. So what we will do? We have to borrow from the borrow one unit from the digits of the next higher place. So which is the next higher place? 10. Tens place. Which is the number here? 1. Only one unit is there. One value of 1 is 110. So what we will do? Borrow 1 from this tens place 1. So when it comes to units place, it becomes 10, not 1. Here you can, in tens place you can write 1. But when you write this 1 to units place, what happened? It become 10. So together how many? 12. This one is, the number become 12. Now when 1 is taken from here, when 1 is subtracted from 1, what will happen? Here it become which number? We cut this 1 and write 0. Clear? Suppose here it is 2. Only 1 is taking. What will be here? 1. 1 less. So here 1 is taken to units place, that become 10, that is 12. Now we can subtract 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8, what is the answer? 4. How we got the answer 4? 11, 10, 9, 8. 4 units counted down. So 4 is the answer. Now what is remaining here? 0. 0 minus 0? 0. 7 minus 5? 2. 204 is the answer. So this way you have to take from the digits of the next higher places if the digit of the units place of the bigger number is smaller. One more example I will give you, then you will understand better. Six, 4, 3 minus 4, 5, 6. Definitely 6 for 3 is greater, so that you have to write up. Now considering the digits of the units place, again see 3 is smaller than 6. So what we will do? Only 1 unit from tens place you have to borrow. So when you borrow 1 from here, this you have to cut 4, this become 3. And here become 30. Now 13 minus 6 equal to 7. Now 3, again problem. 3 is smaller, 5 is bigger. Again what you have to do? Take 1 from the next higher place. From 6, only 1 unit is enough. That become 10 when you go to the next lower place. So cut 6 and write what? 5, and here it become 30. 13 tens. We are taken from hundreds place. Hundreds place to tens place. So the value become 1 become 10. Clear? 100 equal to 10 tens. 100 equal to 10 tens. So the number is here 13. Now 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? How will subtract? 12, 11, 10, 10, 9, 8. What is the answer? 8. Now what is the number remaining here? 5. 5 minus 4? 1. 187. This is the method of subtraction in more than 1 digit number. Only you have to study the subtraction of single digit number. Understood the meaning of subtraction? It is very easy. The concept of addition is, if it is clear with you, subtraction also very easy. So that is all today I want to explain to you. Next class I will explain more arithmetic operation. The coming, that is multiplication, I can explain in next class. So thank you for observing. So thank you for watching this lesson today, and please watch previous lessons also. Continue watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel and forward to as many children as possible. See you. Bye bye. See you in next week.